Everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to earn sweatlessly online without any hassle. So this is going to be a very short video. I try to make it as short as possible. So this video is just going to show you how to make deposits in your MEMEFI wallet. If you can see right at the bottom right corner here, you can see airdrop, and you can see a new icon that has been put in there by the MEMEFI project organizers. So you can see the wallet there. So one is to have at least 1.5, ideally 1.5, at least 1.5 Ethereum in this wallet, okay, so that you'll be able to use it for gas fee. You'll be able to use it as gas fee to claim, the airdrop. So we're going to dive right in, and going to start by clicking on the wallet, and then it says right here, create your wallet, create wallet. So now, for the sake of new people, what you have here is all this place that you are seeing. These are numbers, and there are some words inside. That is your seed phrase or secret phrase. As you can see, your secret phrase right at the top here. Okay, this secret phrase is very, very important, and you don't allow anyone to see it. If they see it, they can hack into your wallet and then steal all your money, and you don't want that to happen. So what you want to do now, you can see copy to clipboard. So the essence of it is for you to copy it and save it in a very, very good place. In short, don't even save it on the internet. Go and look for a very maybe like a diary or something, tangible, where you can save it like in 2 or 3 places, that in the next 20 years, 50 years, even 70, 100 years time, but that you can pass to your children, because this is there can be a lot of money in it in the future. So you understand. So let's just go ahead and copy it and save. So I've saved my secret phrase. So the next thing you want to do is to save this. I click on saved and continue. So I'm doing that right now. So here we are. All right, I've created the wallet. I've saved my secret phrase. So the next thing you want to do is to click on deposit, so that we'll be able to deposit Ethereum. Now the Ethereum you are to deposit, look at this place at the top here, very, very important. This is what linear network. So we are going to deposit Ethereum into this wallet. Remember, a minimum of 1.5 Ethereum, $1.5 worth of Ethereum, okay, on linear network. So we continue, click on deposit. So we are right here. So I'm copying this. You can see the copy icon here. So I'm copying it. So I'm right in my OKX wallet, and remember that when you come to OKX, you are to be on the exchange side right at the top here, okay? Exchange side, that's where you want to be. And then the next thing you want to do is to click on assets. So the next thing we want to do is to click on withdraw, okay? We click on withdraw, and then we click on withdraw crypto, right? So we are here, Ethereum. We click on Ethereum, and then click on on-chain. So we paste it in, then we click on this place. You can see right here, network. It says select network. So we want to select our network. Scroll down to look for linear. You can see it's Earth linear, okay, and the transaction fee is just about 0.6. So we click on it, and then how much do we want to send? Okay, probably we just send everything. There's not so much there. Send everything. So send everything, and you can see this value of this Ethereum is over $2. So I'm deliberately sending over $2 just in case, okay? Now, where is our wallet? Is it under funding or trading? Remember, in this case, the money, where is our money? The money is under trading account. So I leave it as it is and then click on submit. I click on submit. Then it's going to ask me for all the various codes. It says, yes, I accept. Okay. So click on confirm. So confirm, tell me to send. So I'm sending the code. It's going to send the code to my email and also to my phone number. So I'm going to get the code and then we'll continue from there. All right, so I've been able to get the code. So the next thing to do is to just click on confirm, obviously. So just go ahead and confirm the sending of the transaction. See, so request submitted. So all we need to do is just to wait and see it's delivered into our MEMEFI wallet. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to go about it. It's as simple as that. So it has landed. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share it with your friends. And then you can also join us in our community or our WhatsApp and Telegram group for you to get more video like this. Once you get this thing done like this, we are good to go. So the next video that will be coming up right now is how to go about the final steps of the Aqua protocol, how to, multiply your coins. Yes, there is opportunity to multiply coins on Aqua protocol, and also to increase your score. A lot of people got below the 40 mark. Okay, so how can you increase your score to be up to 40 or even more? So in the next video we are going to be discussing fully about that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Be blessed. This is the Easy Earners Club.